Hello guys, we're gonna show you today a super simple and easy trick how to wash your fruit. We have strawberries here today. We have a glass bowl with water, just a normal water, and we have the star of the day, a lemon essential oil. So David here is gonna, David say hello, hi. David's gonna do it. So David, please open the lemon and show us how you're doing it. So what are you doing, David?
I'm gonna add 1 to 2 drops
Of
lemon.
Okay, show us.
Well, at least I'm gonna try to put one.
That's one, yeah? Okay, so what are you gonna do next?
Put the strawberries in the bowl.
Okay. So you have a nice... So then put it there. don't worry, just put it there. The reason why you are actually using glass bowl, you can use glass bowl or you can use stainless steel. The reason is because the lemon actually kind of melts plastic, and so you don't want to use a plastic bowl because you don't want to basically poison yourself with more plastic and more chemicals. What the lemon's gonna do, the lemon nicely cleans the strawberries. You're gonna let it sit in that bowl for about 5 minutes, and it's gonna really remove all the spraying and all the nasties that are on the strawberries, and then you just flush it under running water and they are good to go. So this is a super simple use of lemon essential oil. Lemon is really, it's very reasonable. In Japan it's about 1700 yen for this 15 milliliter bottle, and that bottle can help you with really a lot of things. So let me know how you use your lemon essential oils and what you use to clean your fruits and your vegetables. Okay, bye.